Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a summer try-on haul, some shoes that didn't work out, and a lot of sale stuff to share. So let's get right into it. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley Park. This is Park Avenue, and I have all the fashion content. So if that's what you love, be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit those notification bells because you don't want to miss an upload. Okay, so let's just start with some things that you guys asked me about in my previous video. I shared some pieces that I picked up from Macy's. Absolutely love the dresses that I shared, so cute. And I know some of you picked those up, so let me know when you get them, let me know what you think. And a lot of you love the black dress, that was my favorite too. But a lot of you also asked me about my jewelry, and so I wanted to talk about that first thing in this video. And it was especially about my earrings and the bracelet that I was wearing because you guys wanted to know the jewelry that I had on with that black dress. And all the jewelry is from J. Crew. And I shared this when I first got them, but some of you might have missed it. But right now, at the time of this video, everything is at a really good sale. So now's the time to check it out. These door knocker earrings, super cute. The bracelet that I'm wearing is actually a necklace, and I just wrapped it around my wrist a couple times. They also have this same link as a bracelet that only wraps around the wrist once, and I actually am meaning to pick up that bracelet as well, but honestly, I love the way this looks as a bracelet, so that's what I've been doing. And then sometimes when I wear it as a necklace, I just wear like my David Yurman bracelets, you know? And then for my rings, I was just wearing, this one is old from Nordstrom. It's just a gold band with some diamonds in it. And then on my thumb, I have my Cartier ring on. And I love to mix my fine jewelry with my costume jewelry. I just love a mix, you know? And then some other earrings that are on sale right now at J. Crew are these. I love these. They're like a post earring, still very bold, really cute. I wear these a lot too, especially when my hair is up. And then these are really nice. I love a chain link, so these kind of won me over as well. I had to pick these up, and they're just like a little bit of a different style. And if you love the door knocker earrings that I showed, these that I'm wearing right now, there's also a post earring version if you want another option or just something slightly simpler. And it's basically this door knocker without the hoop. So this is a nice option when I want to do something a little bit less than what I'm wearing right now. And then also in my hair, in that previous video with the black dress, I also had on one of my J. Crew hair ties. I shared this when I did a bubble ponytail a while back, and I love that. I love these hair ties. I wear them whenever I want to do something fun with my hair, and this is the one that I had on. I actually have a couple more of these. I bought a bunch so I could do the bubble ponytails and just play around with my hair jewelry as well. You guys know I love jewelry in any form, so I love it all. Now, next up, I want to talk about some pieces that didn't work. And that is two pair of shoes that I bought. I shared in that previous video that I was looking for like a kitten heeled thong sandal. And so I went with this brand called Arezzo that I found on Macy's website, and they didn't work out. I ordered the black pair, and then I also ordered the red, and they're just too wide. I think not the actual footbed is not too wide. The straps maybe sit up a little bit too high from the shoe, so they don't feel stable on my foot. And the heel placement maybe, I'm not sure what it is about these that are off, but I just know when I put them on and I walked a little bit in them, they were just off. So I still think they are a cute shoe. I love the idea, and I love the way the strap cuts and connects to the rest of the shoe because I hadn't seen anything exactly like that at a, you know, mid-range kind of a price point, and they were on sale and everything. So I thought these were going to be great. So they are going to be going back, unfortunately. But I do think if you got these and tried them and they feel good on your foot, they are a cute shoe. So if you're still interested, they will be linked in the description box. All right, so let's move on to the stuff that did work for me because I really, really love. Excited to share these. So first up, I picked up these shoes from Madewell. My mother and I were looking at these online, and I wasn't going to get them, but she ordered them and they looked really good on her. So I was like, let me try these. So I tried these on and I really love these. They're in like a cherry brown kind of a color, and they're so cute. They look so flattering on my foot. And I love that they have a little bit of a thicker base. And they're just a really good classic pair of sandals that I know I'm going to wear a ton. And at first I was a little concerned because I don't usually go for like reddish browns, even though I've been very much obsessed with brown. But this one isn't too red. Only when you put it up next to a chocolatey chocolate brown that you can really tell that it has like a slight red hue to it. But overall, it's really great. And I styled it up with a couple things, and I know that it's going to work well in my wardrobe. So happy with this one. And it comes in two other colorways. a black with silver grommets, and then a suede with silver grommets. It's a really cute shoe, you guys. I'm considering getting another color. Maybe the black with the silver grommets is just a really nice shoe. So this is a good one. Next up, I picked up this jacket from Banana Republic. I'm still buying jackets right now. It's something that I still really wear all year round. It's more so about the fabric. This is 100% cotton, so this is really perfect for warmer months. And this is something I can throw in my bag and then, you know, wear inside with the AC or for travel, anything like that. Why I had to have this one specifically is because I love the shape. I didn't have anything like this in terms of the color and the material. Even though I have a lot of like denim jackets, I didn't have anything that kind of looked like a workman's type of a jacket, but still has such feminine details, a really great silhouette. I love the crop on this, and I love the shape of the arm. It's a barrel shape. I'm so obsessed. I love anything barrel. Y'all already know that. So a crop jacket hates to see me coming. I'm going to get one every time. I just love this. And I actually picked this up when I was in New York, but I forgot to show it to you guys. But it is still available, and I would definitely get it. It also comes in denim, a dark denim with a brown kind of like caramel stitching. And that one comes with a pair of matching shorts. It doesn't come with it. It's sold separately, but there are a pair of matching shorts that go with it. I didn't try on the shorts, so I don't know how they fit, but I was really close to purchasing the denim version of this jacket, but I have so many denim jackets that I don't know. But if it does go on sale, I'm probably gonna grab that one too. Not gonna lie to you guys, but really cute, and I had to have this one. It actually has a matching skirt. When I was in the store, it didn't look like an exact match, so I'm not really sure. Again, I didn't even try on the skirt either, but the jacket I had to have. These next two pieces are from Banana Republic as well. They're actually the same top, just in two different colors. I wasn't even gonna get these, but after trying them on, I'm so happy that I have them. They're really, really cute, so flattering, and they're just perfect. So this top I have in white with this really pretty leaf print, and this is obviously perfect for the summertime. I mean, it's linen, so of course, but the print is really nice. And it's super wearable, and I think that even tying it back to my brown Madewell sandals with a simple pair of jeans is gonna be an easy outfit that looks really cute, and that's gonna be perfect for the summer. And I told you guys already, that's my motto for this summer: chic and easy, effortless. I just need it to work. I don't want to have to think about it on those hot days. I want to just reach into my closet, pull out some cute pieces, and they go together. And this looks really cute with like a pair of baggy jeans. It's such a feminine silhouette, so I do sometimes want to edge it up, or I don't know, ground it a little bit with something a little bit oversized or baggy on the bottom. And it's just super, super cute. Here is the same top in black linen, and I love this. At first, I was like, you know what, am I getting too many black pieces for the summertime? But I still find myself so attracted to a lot of things that come in black for the summer. And if I like it, then that's really all that matters. This top is so flattering, and it's gonna look great with white jeans. It's gonna look great with regular denim. I would love to find a pair of black linen shorts that work with this as well. I initially thought I found a pair of shorts before, but they kind of were different. Even though it was linen, they still weren't the same. You know what I'm saying? And then even my black linen trousers from Banana Republic, they are a little bit different when it comes to like the sheen. Something about this top, it has a little bit more of a sheen than my linen black wide leg trousers from Banana Republic. So I think maybe I'll try it on again just to see how I feel, but I feel like it didn't really work together when I held it up to each other. But either way, I love this top. Next up, let's talk about this t-shirt from J. Crew. I think I found my perfect crop t-shirt. I'm obsessed. I found t-shirts that I liked, some with v-necks, some are a little bit longer, they might have like slits on the side like that venting. But these I love because they're 100% cotton, so they're a nice weight to them. They're not like a thin see-through t-shirt, they have a nice weight to them. And I just love this color. I love that it also comes in white, and it also came in a blue. I didn't get the blue, but now I'm like, I don't know, maybe I should grab it just because it has been kind of hard for me to find a cut that I love in a crop boxy kind of a t-shirt. And the length of this is just really perfect that I feel like maybe I should just grab all the colors because it was so hard for me to find. The black one at the time that I got this one, and the white one, which I'm waiting for in the mail, the black one was like pre-order, it wasn't available yet, so I held out on it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and order that one too. But I'm really happy with this color. I feel like this is a color I don't always find in a t-shirt anyway, and it's a nice neutral to have. It's gonna style really nicely with a lot of my black pieces, and even with these sandals again from Madewell. This is a nice color pairing, and then all you have to do is throw on a cute pair of jeans in between, you know? Next up, let's talk about these barrel jeans from Abercrombie. I'm obsessed. The fit is great on these. I love that they are mid-rise because that's my favorite rise in jeans on my body type. I find that mid-rise is the most flattering when it's a true mid-rise, you know? I love these. I just love them. I don't have anything negative to say about them. The waist is too big in these. I try to size down, I try to size up. They are the Curve Love line in Abercrombie. They come in regular. I grabbed the Curve Love because I was trying to avoid the gaping in the waist, and it just seemed to be unavoidable. So I do have to get these fixed, but aside from that, these are perfect. So I'm okay with having to get it fixed. Most of my jeans I have to get fixed anyway. You guys know, if you watch the channel, you already know that, but they're just really good. And these are in the regular length. Usually I would get long length because I just always want my jeans to be as long as possible, but these, they are a nice, like, they hit me right at the ankle, which is kind of perfect for how I wear them and style them. But I'm also just like thinking, do I want to grab them in long? Just for another style option because I like the cut so much. I don't know, I'm considering it, but these are a great pair of jeans. So if you haven't gotten them already, you need to grab them. Last but definitely not least, I want to talk about some makeup that I'm loving. Now, I've been in the market for a purple blush for a while now, and I just knew when I found something that I liked, it, like, that would be it. Like, I didn't know what I was looking for, but I knew when I saw it, I would know. So I found this new blush from Rare Beauty. They actually came out with some new colors, and I saw that this one, this purpley shade, was one of the new ones, so I had to try it. Now, one thing about Rare Beauty blushes is they are pigmented, and I have a larger size and a couple other colors, like the standard size, and I don't feel like I'll ever finish them. They're just so pigmented, and it's a lot of product. I feel like I will never go through it. So I decided to grab this one in the travel size, which is super, super tiny. I didn't think it was gonna be this small, but it's still a very pigmented blush, and this color is called Spirited, if I didn't say it already. But I just love these blushes from Rare Beauty. I like the texture, I love the formula, I love the staying power. The colors are very pigmented. I just feel like you're getting a really good product when I try these. Highly recommend if you're looking for a purple blush, but even if you're not looking for a purple, just try it. It's really cute, and I feel like it's gonna look great on deep skin tones. It'll look great on fairer skin tones in mine. Like, I feel like this is a really pretty color, and it has like just enough pink to it. Some of the purple blushes that I did come across, I felt like they were maybe a little bit too literal. I'm really not sure. It just wasn't working for me, but this one is really pretty. I just really like this one a lot. Now, with this color, I saw that it was exclusive to Sephora.com. I'll have the link in the description box, but you can't just walk into Sephora and get it, at least not right now. I'm wearing that blush right now, and then on top of the blush, I have this Gucci highlighter in the color Frosted Lilac, and I think it's just such a pretty topper for that blush. It's a really nice combination. It is purple as well, you know, the lilac with the shimmer shot through it, but it's not like overly shimmery. It's just really nice. And then I just took my finger and put a little bit on my eyelid as well because I just wanted to carry it through the rest of the look, and I'm really happy with it. I really like this formula as well, the Gucci highlighter. It's kind of like a gel to powder formula. Like, it's hard for me to explain, but I really like it. And for my lip combo, I'm wearing a lip liner from MAC called Root For Me. The color is like a brown with a little bit of a mauve purpley undertone shot through it. So I felt like it tied in really nicely with the purples that I have going on with this look. And then I did a little bit of my favorite lip liner from Makeup Forever, Endless Cacao for definition. And then for my lip gloss, I went with this lip glass from MAC that I've been loving. It is not sticky. This is their new formula in the lip glass, and it's a nice milky pink. And I know a lot of girls are looking for the perfect milky pink right now for summer, and I really think this is like a wearable pink. You know, it's not too light, it's not too pale, and it's just a really nice one to blend in with a lot of your lip liners or wear over your lipsticks. I'm happy with this one. And that's it. That's everything that I have for you in this video. I'll have the links to everything in the description box, along with my size information as well, so be sure to check there. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Because I would love to have you. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want to catch me on any of my other platforms like Instagram, where I can share a lot more with you in real time, then follow me over there as well. But I'll have TikTok and Pinterest in the description as well. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.